So I call this technique the Vortex kick. This is a variation and it's a setup to melee to Capoeira. This is more an advanced movement. Southpaw. I fake, this can be done so many ways, we're gonna go over this move so much, but I fake like a front kick or a crescent kick, and as I do that, I hop forward, Capoeira, okay? Sorry, I don't wanna kill you there, hit you in this. So this is what's happening, okay? Both sides, up, crescent, over, and then Capoeira. This is offensive, I'm driving into my opponent. This is when they're backing up. I can just step in, but this is a technique where I'm really throwing them off. Up, over, okay, coming over. So as I hop, I'm doing the crescent, I'm here, okay? This is an offensive movement. So you're hopping and stepping over in midair. Hopping over, coming forward. So as we're hopping, there.
Oh, that makes more sense.
Okay, so hopping up and turning over. Now I don't have to turn over all the way. Hop, over, then Capoeira. That is the setup for the Vortex kick. And one of the reasons we call it the Vortex kick is because in Capoeira a lot of movements don't have names. They're just little variations, so it's easier to name them sometimes.